And they just moved out?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's...
I don't have time to do it.
Nah, don't worry about
To clean up.
it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the clean out. I'm just looking to see what type of upgrades. In this door?
Yeah. Sidewalk.
Okay, that's the side door. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah,
And that's a
You
closet.
wanted to-
basement.
Oh, it's basement.
That's, one room in there.
One big room down here?
Yeah.
And a bathroom.
Okay.
We think all them.
I see. You got some nice lights and stuff down here. Okay. Goes all the way back here. So that's the wash and dryer outlet.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Right.
And this will be
Bedroom.
a bedroom.
Yeah. And
Okay.
toilet.
And this is a dress room.
Yeah. What is? I don't know where.
I'm looking too. I think it's over here.
Hmm. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, cool. Bathroom. All right. Thank you. Closets. And this goes out to the actual garage, correct? Yeah. Okay. A little space back here. All right. Right, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Room here,
So
three
room
bed,
here, three bedroom,
three bedroom and one
bathroom.
and half room
And you have half a bathroom
there. Yeah, here.
in here? Oh, this is the master room. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Half bath. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal, good deal. I'm glad I came to see.
Yeah.
I got to go with my business partner and talk to him about what we want to do. And 135 is a little high, but we're gonna make you an offer. It's
No, no high.
it's a little high.
Because I pick a lot, I make the money a lot in there.
Into the investment into the home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just the upgrades that I'm looking at, you know, some of the things that I might have to do to upgrade it to the area, but we'll talk.
Yeah.
We'll talk. Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna get with my business partner. I know that you wanted 135, so we'll talk, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right.